I'm sure that you have watched a lot of videos and read a lot of books about how to become rich. I'm also sure that this video will show you a lot of things that you will never find elsewhere. So keep watching till the end. I believe that everyone has what it takes to become rich. You only need to believe that and figure out what you're good at and utilize it. These sentences have been mentioned in almost all books that talked about how to become rich. In our list of how to become rich, use the multiples of 10 formula. The concept of this formula is simple. Think of something you can do, work, service, whatever it is, so that people can pay you $10. Once you get paid the $10, go and do that work 10 times. That means you will get $100. Again, go and do that work that will make you $100 10 times again. Now you'll make $1,000. Once you get paid, go and do that work that made you $1,000 10 times. Now you'll get $10,000. Stick to the formula and do that 10 more times. Now you have made $10,000. Remember, at some point you will need to hire some people to help you make that. Continue doing that until you make whatever amount of money you want to make. Number 2, make your own business. Don't depend on your traditional work, because that way you will never get rich. Instead, start your own business on your free time. Many people wrongly believe that it takes a lot of money to start a business. In reality, the internet has made it easy to start any business, and the simplest way can be selling items online. In fact, there are many videos on YouTube help you step by step build your own business. Number 3, try freelancing to become financially independent. Freelancing is a great way to become financially independent. So while you are studying or even working in a company or anywhere else, dedicate some time for freelancing. You can use the money you gain from freelancing to use it in making more money. In another word, making investments or generating money from money. Personally, I recommend you trying less crowded and less competitive freelance platforms like realfreelancer.com, since top freelance websites are mostly dominated by highly skilled freelancers. These were a few tips on how to become rich quickly. Thank you for watching and see you next time.